Namaste, my name is Chef Srinivas. I'm sous chef from Novotel Hyderabad Airport. This is our organic farm called the Patch. I will show you the vegetables, leaves and the herbs we grow here. Now I will pluck all 3 leaves to make Patti Chaat. Ajwain leaves, giloy leaves and spinach leaves. All these leaves help to boost your immunity. Now I am preparing Patti Pakoda for chaat. Mix all dry ingredients: besan, turmeric, corn flour, ajwain, sesame seeds, salt, add chili powder, add water and make a thick flowing batter. Fry them till golden crisp. On a serving plate, place the fried pakoda. Top with spices. Mint chutney, sound chutney, sweet curd, chopped onion, chopped tomato, coriander, crushed peanuts, save and pomegranate. Garnish with coriander leaves. Here is a Patti Chaat which looks very tempting. Hope you enjoy this video.